Hello people, so this is my third video of the day, and I have to say people that of late I've been reading some of these rather little known authors, among which there's this book called Fish in Paneer Soup by Deep Ghatak, and it's a very different book, Fish in Paneer Soup. I mean, as you can sense from the title itself, um, this book I'm grateful for having read this book, simply since there is this one chapter in this book where the author writes about the fact that somewhere near Masuri, I think, or in the foothills of the Himalayas, I mean, we have these ancient myths, right, or whatever, that Menaka, the you know this princess or whatever, this whole celestial beauty came and did a dance for a rishi muni and all. So apparently this book speaks of the fact that there are these saints or ascetics who who are alive present day and who've experienced something like this. So that was a revelation to me, when I read that. I was like, really? I mean, because um, in the Isha Yoga Center also, they speak of something called the disembodied beings, or certain I remember a Reiki healer telling me this, that in places where there's a lot of prayer being conducted, the certain entities who are floating about, they tend to get attracted to such a place. So I mean, all this causes like goosebumps when you hear of it. But for me, that was one feature that really stood out about in this book. So people do check it out if you all get the chance. It's called Fish in Paneer Soup by this new author Deep Ghatak. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.